I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup cubes. Making your own soup cubes is a fantastic way to save time and reduce food waste in your kitchen. Imagine having perfectly portioned, flavorful broth or soup concentrates ready to go whenever you need them. They are incredibly versatile, perfect for adding depth to sauces, gravies, or simply making a quick, comforting cup of soup. Let's dive into the simple process. To begin, you'll need a few simple ingredients and some basic kitchen tools. Start with about 4 cups of your preferred broth, along with a cup or 2 of your favorite vegetables like carrots, celery, or spinach. Fresh herbs such as parsley or thyme will add a lovely aroma. For equipment, grab a large pot, a reliable blender, and several ice cube trays. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Pour your broth into a large pot, add your chopped vegetables and herbs, and bring it to a gentle simmer. Cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until the vegetables are very tender. Once cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Then, carefully blend the mixture to achieve a perfectly smooth, rich consistency. The final step is freezing and storing your delicious soup cubes. Carefully pour the cooled, blended soup into your ice cube trays, filling each compartment about 3/4 full. Place the trays in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours until completely solid. Once frozen, pop them out and transfer them to airtight freezer bags. Label them with the date and enjoy your homemade soup cubes for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.